Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to upscale with AI Image Enhancer. So, let's get started. Step 1. Launch your preferred web browser and input ImgLarger.com into the browser's address bar. Step 2. If you haven't yet logged in into your AI Image Enlarger account to harness its potent capabilities, I suggest to do so. Step 3. Explore the horizon. Scroll down to uncover the diverse capabilities of AI Image Enlarger. Opt for AI Image Upscaler to proceed. Step 4. Select and enhance. Decide the desired upscale percentage. Click Upload Images to choose the image for processing. You can also directly drag and drop image files from your computer. Step 5. Initiate the transformation. Tap Start and await the transformation. Use the eye icon to compare the original and enhanced versions. Then, download the optimized image. I hope this guide empowers you on your journey. Embrace the AI Image Enlarger experience and look forward for more exciting content. Thank you for watching. Until next time.